Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and today I'm going to talk about the power of words, and I'm going to show you my newest offering regarding the power of words. But first, I want to kind of review some the way I used to do my Power of Words series. I had some earrings that I used to make called Power of Words. Let's see. This one. Okay, it says M. Oh boy, that's blurry. Oh boy, this isn't gonna work the way I thought it would. Let's see if I can make them bigger. Yes, MLK, more love, more love and kindness. That was one of my Power of Words earrings that I used to sell. And let's see, I'm gonna go back. Oh goodness, let me do power again so they'll come up. No, last time I did power of words. Okay, let's see. Here's one. I think I did this one, Warrior Queen. That was after I saw that movie, Woman King. I did these, Warrior Queen. And let me see if I can back out of this one. Let's see what happens if I turn my light off. Oh, okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, let me see if I can get out of that one and go back. Power of Words. Okay, Still I Rise is another. This was a metal earring that I made that said Still I Rise. And let me back out. Let's see, what else did I have? Okay, let's see what this one says. This one says Proverbs 31. That was another set of earrings that I sold in the Power of Words series. Let's see, what else? I did MLK. Oh, I remember this. There was only one of these, this bracelet stack that I made that said, Mama Don't Play, and it's camo. I know the lady who bought this. She loves it. Mama Don't Play. And it was, this was polymer clay camo that I made. Okay, let's see, what else do I have in the Power of Words series? Let's see, what does this one say? Oh, Conqueror. This is another metal marked one that I did on my Glow Forge that says Conqueror. Okay. Let's see, what else do I have here? Gonna back out of that. What does this one say? Blessed Life. I did a lot of these, a lot of Blessed Life in the wood and the metal, because I just feel like that's what I'm living, is a blessed life. Okay. Going back. Here's a necklace. What does this one say? Oh, abundance. That's another very powerful word, is abundance. Okay, let's see here. And these are all, I don't do these anymore. Well, I haven't done them in a long time. Sometimes I'll bring things back. Let's see, what is this one? What do these say? Oh, okay. Yeah, no regrets. These are some earrings that I had. Let me see if I can get them to be clearer. Okay, no regrets, new attitude, happy, and still I rise. Okay. And what almost down here. Let's see, another necklace. What does it say? Okay, it says still I rise. You know, that's something another powerful phrase. Okay, I'm going to show you what's new. And, okay, what's new is I'm doing these wood earrings. I'm not a, painting is not one of my major skills, but I'm just gonna do this to show you the possibilities for this. These pens I got from, these are alcohol markers, and I got them from, oh gosh, what's that? It's like a $5 store. Five Below, yeah. I got these at Five Below, and this is my first time using them, but I'm gonna just see how they do on here. See how I do. So I'm gonna, but I figured these would be something different, you know. In Sherika Originals, I'm always wanting to offer something that's different. I don't want to always have what everybody has, because I mean, why deal with me when you can deal with your local person? Oh gosh, these tops are hard to get off. Oops! Wow, I could have hurt something. Okay, this is a pink. It goes on pretty easy, just like a marker, but it's not as heavy as acrylic. So that's what I'm liking about it, especially on something like this. But those of you who are really good painters, I mean, it probably doesn't make any difference to you. But this word is love, of course, which is a powerful, powerful word. And we need more of it, especially now. We need more love. Gosh. Okay, so, and this is going pretty quickly. And this earring, I think it's 2 inches long. Okay, got that one. Now I'm gonna do, oh goodness gracious, this thing is hard to come off and hard to, let's see here. Green, and it's a dual, they're dual ended, so there's a fat end and a smaller end. I prefer the smaller end that way. Hopefully I won't make too big of a mess. Oh no, this green is really light. There were 2 greens in there. One green, this is apple green, and then there's a grass green in there. So I think I'm gonna like this little set here. Okay, got that. And these, I guess you could paint them or not paint them. Okay, I got this one. Now I'm gonna use I used the pink already, yellow. I'm gonna use yellow, and I want the thin end. Oh man, how is this? Oh, this yellow looks, it's lemon yellow, but it looks kind of orange to me. But I guess it is a yellow. It's a pretty strong yellow. There's another yellow in here, and it's a primary yellow. So okay, but that's that one. That's the love one. I have 5 different 5 different designs. And I'm thinking that I'm going to offer the set, let's see, a 10-piece set of, not 10 pieces. Yeah, 10 pieces. Okay, the first one is love. This next one is I am. And let me know what you think about this, because to me it's really small, but my daughter told me to, maybe present them anywhere. Anyway, it's words and it has the corresponding scripture on it. Let's see, the strong, Philippians 4:13. Amazing says Psalm 139:14, verse 14. Gosh, they're really little. But let me know if this is something that you would be interested in, or is it too little? And this is a 2-inch round earring. I could make a 3-inch earring, but sometimes a 3-inch earring looks really, really big. So let's see, what else does it say? It says capable, chosen, never alone, always loved, beautiful, victorious, enough, created, strong, and back to amazing. And it's like I am. So I really liked this, but I didn't try to make it any bigger because so give me your opinion on this. Is this too little to make as an earring? Okay, here's one I really like. I've been looking at this for a long time, and I finally decided what I wanted to do with it. This is a head wrap that has the words in it. It's got beautiful, queen, magic, educated, sweet, sexy, melanin, dope, powerful, natural, afro, divine, loving. What else? Strong. So yeah, I like these. I'm definitely going to offer these because this is a 3-inch earring. This is a really big earring, but if you like big earrings, and then you could color each one of these words. So I really like how these turned out. And then this is another one that I really like. It's a flower, and some of the petals are words. So it says spirit, passion, loyalty, strength, light, faith, love, and life. And there are little flowers in there, flower petals. That would be neat to color in the petals. So that's the one. That's the fourth one. And then the next one is I am, and it has the words. And these, you can see these, even though this is a smaller earring, it's like a 2-inch earring. You can see the words very clearly. So I'm certain that I'm going to offer this one. But it says awesome, mighty. I am awesome, mighty, bold, intelligent, strong, capable, fierce, successful, valuable, amazing, needed, resilient, worthy, fearless, brave, powerful. So yeah, these are powerful words that we need. And sometimes we need to remind ourselves, about our power. This is one I just started. This is like a bigger one, a 3-inch one that I figured could be a pendant. It didn't necessarily have to be an earring, but I just put a little color on it to try my hand at at adding some color. So let me know what you think about this series. It's the Power of Words series, and if people tell me that this is too small, I will find another one to put in here. But it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be like a 10-piece set, and I'm going to do an introductory price on it. So let me know what you think about this Power of Words series. I'm going to make a link and put it here. I don't have the link ready yet, but I will get it ready. But give me some feedback. Let me know what you think about this Power of Words series. that I have? Or should I just bring back the old one, the one that just has single words on it, blessed, loving, grateful, that kind of thing. So what do you think? Single words or something like this that's really, really different? All right, good people, this is Sherry. You know the drill. Let me hear from you. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherikao Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed. And I do appreciate every one of you. Take care and be blessed.